So now let's see how we can work around with code blocks inside of Tinkercad. So here I'm in my home page. So if I want to work with code blocks, then I can go to code blocks right here. And then I can click on create new code block. So once I do that, what happens is that the new code block area actually opens up and I can click on new design right here so that I can start from scratch. So talking about Scratch, the code blocks are powered by Scratch. So if you know Scratch programming, then you'll be able to do this. So here on the left side, there's different types of sections, as you can see, like math data, shapes, and so forth. So let's say, for example, I want to go around with modify. So let's say first I want to create a new object right here. And then over here on the top, let's say I want to create a new box object right here. So I'm just going to connect these together. And if I were to, let's say, for example, go around over here and choose the color, you can see that nothing happens right now. But as soon as I click on the play button, you can see that this actually gets generated. So this is how it actually functions. After you add the object, maybe I want it to have different things. So let's say, for example, I want to do something else. So I'm not going to go around with create new object right here. So I'm just going to delete this. I'm just going to throw this in the dustbin. I can also zoom and then pan around right here by clicking on it. So I'm going to create a new object and I'm going to add this. And let's say, for example, I want to rotate this. So I'm going to rotate this on axis Y right here by 90 degrees. That's okay. Then let's say, for example, I want it to be moved right here around how much axis is like one value, one unit right here. Let's say, for example, and then I'm going to scale the object right here by twice the size right here, just like this. And let's say, for example, yes, that's it. So now all of these functions are going to take place together. So if I were to press the play button, you can see that that is what happens. So it moves and then works around with this according to how I set it. So let's say, for example, if I would type in 10 right here and 10 right here, then it moves on another axis. So let me just press the play button again, and this is what you have. You can move around and then everything happens all at once. And that is how you can work around with the code blocks inside of Tinkercad. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.